street, elegant, old-fashioned man. Yeah, baby, I'm a classic man. I burn through the hood like war.
Right here today, I want to ask you a simple question. Can you stand the rain? Yeah, you heard me correctly. Can you stand the rain? Listen, there may be a lot of situations, a lot of problems, and things that you're going through right now in your life. But for this particular month of June, I want you to focus on making it through. So can you stand the rain? Right now, I'm located at this vacant house in front of this yard where you can see this yard has not been mowed. It may look like in 2 years, but actually it's just been a couple of weeks because it rained. And we got a lot of rain and the grass grew quickly. Listen, sometimes there's two reasons why rain comes in your life. Rain comes in your life to make you grow. Don't look at rain as something that's drowning you, but look at rain as something that's growing you. I know a lot of situations in your life, family, you think those situations have come into your life and they're burying you. Like they're actually doing your funeral right now. But listen, those situations didn't come to bury you. Those situations came to plant you. And you need that rain to cultivate you. You need that rain to allow you to grow. Listen, that's the first point. Without rain, you can't grow. Also, my second point, without rain, you can't survive. Listen, if it never rained in this yard, instead of the grass looking like this, it'll be a desert. And where there is a desert, nothing can live because there's no water. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at the problems that you have in your life. I want you to change your mindset about the problem. This is what I want you to do. They came to you on yesterday and they gave you a pink slip and they laid you off from your job. I don't want you to panic about it. Here's what I need for you to do. I need for you to say thank you. I appreciate the opportunity, but obviously there's something better for me on the other side of this job. Listen, I don't want you to come because they come to and they diagnose you with an illness. Listen, thank you, I appreciate it, Doc, but guess what I'm gonna do? I'm a fighter, and I'm not going to allow this illness to kill me. I need for you to flip the script on how you look at rain. I asked you just a couple of seconds ago, can you stand the rain? Can you go through the rain? Can you make it through the rain? It's up to you. And this is Coach Lane with your Motivational Minute. I want you to always remember, you may not get what you asked for, but you always get what you work for. I'll see you real soon.